All right, check it out. Pop Daddies. These are pretzel sticks with flavors, all right? Now, we do have our favorite, and it's almost gone, which is the street corn. It's pretty good. They got the birthday candy, birthday light, birthday cake. Look at this. What is this one? What are you enjoying? That is a beer cheese. Hey, you're not supposed. Where's your ID? All right, Noelle, let's try one. Try which one you gonna try?
I'm gonna try the birthday
cake. Give us your back story on this.
It tastes like sugar cookies, but better because it's pretzels.
There you go. Try the street corn. This one, how does it taste? Does it have any flavor like street corn?
It tastes exactly like corn with a little bit of spiciness, which is not even spicy at all. It's just little spices.
No tajin on it? No tajin on it. Come on, guys. Get the tajin on it. Don't worry, it doesn't have any beer. It's just the flavor that it has. But it's called beer cheese. That's pretty much it.
It tastes like cheese.
Oh, you know what? These have an awesome flavor. They have cheddar cheese. I don't taste any beer flavor or anything like that, but it might be the hops. But look at the cheese on it. That's why they're her favorite. Cheese. She loves cheese. Let's try the birthday cake. Let's try the birthday cake. Look at that. It's surrounded with some sugar and pretty much some dip flavor. So let's try it out. Okay. I taste sprinkles, sugar, really good pretzel. This is actually really good. I could finish the whole thing in one sitting. So be careful, guys.